जी, few questions. अच्छा, बताइए.
That rising international oil prices are projected to add 0.8% of the GDP, because 8% of the GDP, 0.8% of the GDP to the fiscal deficit in FY27. So at the same time, the petroleum levy is expected to do a lot of the revenue headwind. So if the oil prices rise further because of the Iran conflict, will the government absorb the shock, pass it on to consumers, cut spending elsewhere, or risk missing its revenue target? So that's question number one. And question number two is, in the econ survey, you said that the potential transfers, you would discuss them a bit more as to like what the scheme is, if they're multi-year. If you could just give a few details on that. Is it a one-year commitment or a multi-year commitment, and how is it going to roll out?
जी, I think I probably tried to address it, both of these, during the economic survey. And I did mention certainly the oil prices and also the arrangement that we've had with the provinces, made with the provinces in the budget speech. But I will repeat that. As far as the oil prices are concerned, we saw the first impact actually in April, where our oil bill went up by $1 billion. But since then, the way we have been sort of managing, and full kudos to the NCMC, because that's where we work as whole of the government, that dropped to $500 million during May. Having said that, and I said that a couple of days back as well, that let's just all hope and pray that whatever leadership our Pakistani leadership is doing, and they are not giving up, and these are unrelenting efforts, that this conflict comes to an end sooner than later. But I did say that, and I will repeat that the energy infrastructure has been hit. So to expect that certainly Hormuz will open up and things will normalize, or whether it's the LNG or other resources which have been hit will get normalized in a week or 2 weeks' time, that's not going to happen. So it is going to spill over into the next fiscal year. So with respect to the second, third order impact, while we have negotiated well the first order impact, whether it's the supply or whether it's the prices, that we have built in that redundancy into our fiscal position for next year. So that's your answer to your first question. The second thing, and I mentioned that in the budget speech, that we are absolutely grateful for all the provinces, the way they have sort of stepped up in helping us for some of the more pressing needs. Some of those have been reflected in the defense budget, and that is out there, and the number is with you. For this year, that arrangement is in place, and from our perspective, it's a 3-year discussion, and we will take that forward with the provinces for the next couple of years as well. But we expect that arrangement to be in place for the next 3 years. Thank you.